agents. Let's talk about something that I bet most of you have not pulled out and read. You know it exists, but I'll bet money you haven't read it. And I'm going to encourage you to do that. So what am I talking about? I'm talking about the Code of Ethics. I just got done taking the class again. I take it, the whole major class, the long one that's a whole day class, every 2 years because I serve on professional standards. And by serving on professional standards, I have the privilege of understanding how unprofessional we can all be sometimes. And for that, it saddens my heart. So I'm gonna ask you all to actually pull out the Code of Ethics and make it one of your 2024 goals to read it, understand it, refer to it, because it's going to go through and talk about what our duties are, how do we do marketing, and a whole lot of other things, but it is basically our professional code of conduct. And I think it's important that you should read it. I read it annually. Sometimes I refer to it during the year. And I always try to pick up something new from it, and no matter how many times I take that class, I still learn something new. In addition to that, I wonder how many of you actually know there is a Pathways to Professionalism, and it covers our respect for the public, our respect for the property, and our respect for the peers. And it's just a nice little golden rule document that is out there. I'm going to include that in this video, both of those, and I'm going to encourage you to keep a copy and make it an annual habit just to go through, review, and read. It's amazing what it will remind you of, as well as explain some things that we should or should not be doing. Thanks for joining me on this session. I'm Missy Stakers, broker owner of M. Stakers Realty Partners, and I'm encouraging you to actually read what we should do, shouldn't do, and more importantly, make sure those around you are following it as well.